Good morning, students. This video is for class 3 maths, and today also we will continue work exercise number 4.8. Work exercise number 4.8. In the last class we have completed till question number 5. Today we will start with question number 6. In question number 6 they have said 160 boxes of apple were bought from Kullu. Each boxes contain 96 apples. What was the total number of apples in the box? So from Kullu, total of 196 boxes were brought, and in each boxes there were 96 apples. So how many total apples will be there? So let us find out. First you write number of apples in one box. Number of apples in one box is equal to 96. Then you write number of boxes. Number of boxes is equal to 160. So number of apples in 160 boxes is equal to, you will multiply 160 multiplied by 96. 0, 6, 6 are 36, 3 in hand, 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9. Cross. 9 zeros are 0, 9 6 are 54, 5 in hand, 9 1s are 9 plus 4, 14. 0, 6, 3, 5, 1. So 15,360 apples were there total in this machine. Therefore, there were 15,360 apples in 160 boxes. Children, please note this down. I hope you have understood this. Let us move to the next question. The next question says that a box of sweets weighs 825 gram. One box of sweets, it weighs, the weight of one box is 825 kg. What is the weight of 12 such boxes of sweets? So if the weight of one box is 825 kilogram, what will be the weight of 12 boxes? So you write here weight of one box is equal to 825 kg. Number of boxes is equal to 12. So weight of 12 boxes will be is equal to 825 multiplied by 12. 5 2s are 10, 1 in hand, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 8 2s are 16. 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, 8 1s are 8. 0, 0, 1 in hand, 9 and 9. Therefore, the weight of 12 boxes will be 9,900 kg. So I hope you have understood this. Now copy this down. You see the thing in each and every sum, almost the statement or the question is same. Only the figures are same and they have spoken about different things. Like you see in question number 8, there are 24 hours in a day. So in one day there are 24 hours. So what will be the number of days in what will be the number of hours in the month of January? So first you have to find out in the month of January how many days are there. In January there are 31 days. So hours in one day. How many hours in one day? 24. Then days in January is equal to 31. You can write here number of hours in one day 24, number of days in January 31. But I'm simply just making this statement more simpler for you. So number of hours in January is equal to 31 multiplied by 24. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Now 4, 4, 7. So in the month of January there are 744 hours. Therefore, there are 744 hours in the month of January. So I hope all of you have understood. Please copy this down so that we can move to the next question. Question number 9. In question number 9 they have said 175 cars were parked in a parking lot. How many cars can be parked in 25 such parking lot? So you know what is a parking lot? Parking lot is a place where cars are kept. So kept in the sense parked. So in one parking lot 175 cars can be parked. So how many cars can be parked in 25 such parking lot? Let us write number of cars parked in one parking lot is equal to 175. Number of parking lot. How many parking lot they have said? They have said 25 parking lot. Now, so number of cars parked in 25 parking lot is equal to 175 multiplied by 25. 5 5s are 25, 2 in hand, 5 7s are 35, plus 2 37, 3 in hand, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8. 2 5s are 10, 1 in hand, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 1 in hand, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. So 5 7 3 4. So therefore 4375 cars can be parked. Therefore there can be 4375 cars parked in 25 parking lot. Please copy this down, children. And for today, the last question. Today's last question, that is question number 10. I will be solving it for you, and then the remaining sum we will be doing in the next classes. Okay. Now, in the next class, the last one, question number 10. 50 tins of coffee. 50 tins of coffee can be packed in one box. So in one box, 50 tin of coffee can be packed. So how many tins can be packed in 75 such boxes? So if there are 75 such boxes and in one boxes there are 50 tins, how many boxes can be packed in 75 tins boxes? So number of tins of coffee packed in one box is equal to 50. Now number of boxes How many boxes? There will be 75 boxes. So number of coffee tin can be packed in 75 boxes is equal to 50 multiplied by 75. 0 5 5s are 25 cross 0 7 5s are 35. 0 5 7 3. Therefore, what did they ask you? They have asked you how many tins? 750 tins can be packed in 75 boxes. So I hope all of you have understood these 5 sums that I have solved. It is, you see, if you see properly, almost every sentences are same, and almost, not almost, but all the sums, the process of all the sums are same. So children, please copy this in your copy where you have done from question number 1. You will be copying these questions in the same copy. So for today up to this much. Thank you, class.